Hi, I'm Nick Starr with United Food Service Solutions, and today we're going to be making chocolate cherry chunk ice cream to celebrate National Chocolate Ice Cream Day. For the ingredients, we'll be using Total Base from Pre-Gel, Pre-Gel's chocolate paste, dextrose, cherry chunks, some heavy whipping cream, whole milk, and we're going to cut up some Hershey's chocolate bar. Now let's go mix it up in the kitchen. That's delicious. For more information on our Carpigiani machines, go to ufss.net. Or to schedule a demo, call our office at 517-627-8180.